Hey guys, Skylar here coming at you from the green corner. It's 2:45 in the morning. We're here in the green corner getting ready to lay down our second layer of Lost Coast plant therapy. So let's get to it. We've still got the rest of our Lost Coast plant therapy from when we laid it down on, Sunday morning. So we're going to take that, we're going to add half a gallon of water to it to dilute it down. That's going to make it 30 milliliters a gallon. There's the first half gallon. Looks like we're just under half a gallon here. Alright. We've got our gasked off tap water. We were at about 50 ounces, so now we want to be right about 100 there. And just a hair more, just to make sure. Get our top. Alright, now we want to shake it to make sure it's all mixed up. Alright. Get our mask on to protect our lungs, safety goggles for the eyes. Let's lay this down so we can get to the commercial facility. Got our stakes and our flags out. We're going to cover the tops first, then we'll go back and cover the bottoms. You can see that we've got a nice shine on the leaf surface that's showing that we've got good coverage on the leaves. Alright guys, we've got the top sides and the bottom sides of the leaves covered to ensure that we are getting all areas of the plant surface And getting all those thrips killed off, we don't spray and pray, we deploy and destroy. Remember, always be growing.